boys and girls. Miss Farrah coming to you today with our Letterland lesson of the day. Today is lesson 41, where we're going to meet Sally Snake. That's Sammy Snake's sister. Let's go ahead and take a look. There's Sammy Snake. Here's Sally Snake. They look alike, and sometimes we see them both together at the end of a word. Let's think about what a snake says. It says hiss. This is the word hiss. And we need both Sammy and Sally at the end of the word to make the word hiss. Eh. We double that S to make sure we hear their sound. All right, can you all hiss right now for me? Great job making that hissing sound. All right, here's another word with Sammy and Sally. This is mess. I know I am really good at making a mess, and I'm sure some of your toy rooms or maybe your bedrooms sometimes get a little messy. This is the word mess. Go ahead and say the word mess. Great job. This is something I do quite often. It's called fuss. Sometimes I have to fuss or be a little louder with my children when they don't like to pick up their room for making a mess. This word is fuss. Let's say it. Fuss. This is the word pass. Like I will pass you the ball. If I get the ball to you, I'm making a pass. Pass. Great job. We have found that whenever you see the same two letters together, they make their sound together. So when we see the SS, it's going to make the sound. Let's put it on our roller coaster, the word pass. Remember, your hand should be on your shoulder. That sound should be in your elbow. That sound should be on your wrist. Let's do it together. Pass. Great job, guys. I can't wait to see what you're going to learn in Letterland today using your SS, both Sammy and Sally Snake. Have a great day.